kabisado ka na yung Sunday, yung
Kasado?
kabisado.
Kabisado.
Kabisado?
Opo.
Kabisado ko yung Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Wag mo ganon.
Ay, sorry. Akin na yung mga tali.
Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday.
Nice.
May mirror pa rin nakatingin sa atin, Mama. Saturday, my Sunday. Sunday, your Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. Salamin. Dalawang salamin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2 letter red fish. 2 letter red fish swimming in the water. 2 letter red fish swimming in the water. 1 little blue fish swimming in the water. 1 little blue fish swimming in the water. 1 little blue fish. 1 little blue fish swimming in the water. Hindi ako makatayo.
Sit down lang. Close your eyes. Ay, close your eyes. Yuko.
Yatyoko. Or yatyoko. Yatyoko lang. Rima. Ano mo kumino? Dito ko na. Sarah. And Seratic.
Yuko po. Parang ayos ang hair lang.
Ouch.
Sakit?
Parang,
Yuko. Para mabilis.
parang tissue to.
Kaya nga, yuko po.
Parang tissue to. Datotik oyo, Sarah. Dirty to. Dirty. Dirty na yun.
Okay na to. Tingnan ko, parang hindi siya. Sit down. Ito, hindi na ayos.
Malaki. Ano use of your disty?